Hi guys, welcome to Let's Play. Today's video is Flabby Birds. Flabby Birds. Flabby Bird. And I was asked to download this game by Francis. To link to his channel video will be in the description below. So it's a takeoff from the Flappy Birds. Let's give this one a little go, shall we now? And to do this one, all you got to do is just hit the mouse button and not hit anything. As you see, the best score is 11, but that wasn't done by me. It was done by a friend. Oh, bloody hell. Ooh. Something goes slowly. Oh, okay now. This is not too easy. It'd be easy if it was a small one, a little bit small, but it's a bit big. It's not easy. 2, come on! I want to get on past this top score of 11. Come on, you motherfucker! Come on! Oh, ah, you piece of shit! I believe I can fly. Ash! Two, 3. Oh no! 4. Come on! I want to get past this. I want to beat this score. Oh. You piece of dog meat! Come on, rescue, come on. Sorry. Ah, son of a gun! Right, if you want to download this game, also there'll be a link in the description as well for you to download the game. See what your top score will be. It ain't an easy sort of one to do. Ah, shit. Come on. Ah, you son of a gun, not again! Ooh! My mind's gone blank now. Oh, come on! I just want to get a good, what to say? Ah! Oh, what? Just a little tap in there. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ, man. That's it, last fucking go. Fly, birdie! Fly! Fly ahead! Oh, fuck it, no. I'm not having this. No, I'm not having this. No way. No, no way I'm having this. Oh, what? Right. Come on. No. Oh. One last round, that's it, I promise. One last round. Come on. One last time of this. Oh, no, that's it. Right. Hey guys, that was the game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub, like and comment. And I'll see you all soon.